Recording is on.
Okay. So we are going to see the stripper. Okay. First is channel stripper. This also acts as a guide. Let's see. Now we are looking for the tunnel dimension A in figure. Okay. So complete width of tunnel A. So what should be the length? Then that allows the free passage for width of the stock, and it is calculated by this formula, guys. You can note it down because this is came from the another book which is available on the internet. Okay, so capital A is equal to B plus 2C. Okay, so what is B? B is the actual width of your strip plus this clearance in both the direction, right hand and left hand. Okay, so 2C. Okay, now come to the how much clearance should be there. Then C. So B is strip width and C is clearance. Okay, the clearance C for fixed guide rails is 0.725 to 0.75 mm should be there. Minimum this clearance should be provided for a proper guide of your strip or a proper free movement of your sheet metal, and that is for the fixed guide rail. And for elastic type of guide rails, the clearance should be 2.5 to 4 mm should be kept for the proper free allowance of your free movement of your sheet metal. Okay. Now come to the your height, the nail height. Okay, so the thumb rule, the some table is given. The height is depend upon the material thickness. Okay, so some ranges are given 0.3 to 10 mm thickness. So 0.3 to 2. These are the some height. For manual feed, if you are going to feed the your sheet towards the press manually, then you have to maintain this height in the of that tunnel. And whether it is automatic feed, then this much means 4 to 6 mm. All given dimensions are in mm. Okay, so according to this particular thickness, you can take this help of this table, and you can maintain that height of your tunnel. Okay, then next point came, how much force should be there, okay, by the stripper to get strip of the metal strip from the punch. So the force required to strip the material from the punch as shown in figure, so may be calculated as this formula. See guys, so you can also note it down. Fs is equal to Cs into F. Now what is Cs is stripping constant. For that there is a another table is given how much you can take this stripping constant. Okay, and punch force F is a punch force. Punch force आपण calculate बघितलं की काय formula punch force चा in previous class. Okay, so from that you can calculate the force, minimum force required to get to strip the material from the punch. Okay, so this value of Cs is also depend upon the material thickness of your metal sheet. So see, three ranges are given up to 1 mm, up to 1 mm to 5, and over 5 mm thickness. For different type of dies, these Cs values is changes. See, for simple punching and blanking, so this is a simple blank your die set, then these values are there 0.02 to 0.10. So this much of the range of this Cs value. For compound punching or blanking, compound die is a type of die आपण पुढे बघणारच आहोत. So compound die is a consist of where you get this punching and blanking operation in a one stroke of your punch. Okay, so that the design of that die is such a way that design is called as a compound die. So for that there is a different values for that CS. Okay, and punching and blanking at same time. This is your operation, you can say progressive dice. Okay, then these values are there. These are some different values you can select from the table, calculate the strip force, and you can design the your stripper according to that. Okay, next, now come to the your spring operated stripper. Okay, so spring operated stripper, this stripper is also called as a elastic stripper, guys. Okay, आणि जे आपण बघितलं की सी clearance means whenever you are going to use the channel stripper, which is also you can act as a your guide rail. Okay, then clearance should be this. And when you are going to use a spring operated, means spring operated stripper is also called as a elastic strippers. So elastic type of guide rails or strippers, the clearance should be more 2.5 to 4 mm. Now you will understand is what is elastic and fixed guide. Okay, so fixed one is a channel stripper, and elastic type is your spring operated stripper. Okay, so it is also called as a pressure pad strippers. Okay, employed the spring to apply the pressure on the stock. तुम्हाला एक व्हिडिओ पाठवला होता गाइज मी, त्याच्यामध्ये दोघी फिक्स स्ट्रिपर पण होता. पहिला व्हिडिओ, दुसरा व्हिडिओ मी स्प्रिंग ऑपरेटेडचा पण पाठवलेला होता. तुम्ही जर गेला असाल त्या व्हिडिओ थ्रू तर राईट, बघितले का व्हिडिओ? प्लीज रिस्पॉन्ड. एक दोन जणांनी जरी बघितले पाहिजे गाईज ते, कारण की तुमचा फीडबॅक असाच होता ना की आधी व्हिडिओ पाठवून देत चला म्हणजे मग आम्हाला बघता येईल. बट तुम्ही जाताय का त्या व्हिडिओ थ्रू? गाईज बघताय तो व्हिडिओ? प्लीज रिप्लाय. अरे आहे की नाही इथे ऑनलाईन? ठीक आहे, बघतच असाल असं मी समजतोय. ओके, सो बिफोर गोइंग टू द युअर स्प्रिंग ऑपरेटेड सॉलिड स्ट्रिपर जो आहे आपण चॅनल स्ट्रिपर, these are the most widely used in the industry, and that is the cheapest and simplest design for the stripper. Okay, so most of the industry widely use that kind of stripper. Okay, for particular application we are going to use the spring mounted spring operated stripper. Okay, so it employs the springs and to apply the pressure to stroke that strip. Okay, strip that stock. So suspended from the punch holder, so it is attached to the your assembly of punch. Okay, punch holder with the stripper bolts and compression springs. Okay, so as it is spring operated, the springs are there. Okay, and advantage of this type of is that it tends to hold the strip flat during the press cycle. That's why it is also called as a pressure pad, because it acts the pressure and try to keep the your strip flat. Okay, so you can say it is act as a your strip holder. Okay, so simultaneously perform the both operation. It prevent the stock to be came with the punch, and also try to flatten the dead sheet with a particular amount of pressure. Okay, see, this is a spring operated stripper. See the figure, आणि व्हिडिओ पण तुम्ही बघितला असाल. So springs are now attached to the with the stripper bolt to the punch holder. Okay, these are the helical springs used. Okay, see, and there are four springs are generally used, which is located in the, and punch is located at exactly central. Okay, it coming with the this plate, stripper plate. Okay, see, and guys, the dimension, length and width of the both kind of stripper, means your channel stripper and spring operated stripper, are exactly equal to the your length of die stock or die block. जो die block आहे तुमचा, त्याची जेवढी लेंथ आहे आणि त्याची जेवढी विड्थ आहे, त्याच डायमेन्शनचे तुम्हाला स्ट्रिपर प्लेट बनवावं लागतं. ओके, ना जास्त लांब ना कमी. ओके, to hold the proper sheet of your black. Okay, so this is a spring operated figure shown. Okay, some relief angle is given. Okay, see, different relief angles are given. A is your length of this shear angle of this punch. Let's see how much how you can calculate the force, means how much amount of force is required. Okay, so maximum static force F max for helical spring can be calculated by this formula, guys. Fx is equal to pi d cube tau by 8d. Okay, so small diameter is the diameter of that wire, and capital D is the outer diameter of helical spring, and S your इथे tau पाहिजे actually. Okay, so by mistake इथे symbol आला नाही तो. So tau is a shearing stress, and it should be range from 490 MPa to 685 MPa. Okay, so this much of static force is produced by the helical spring, which is act on the stripper. Okay, then how much next, the length of spring may be calculated. Okay, किती लेंथ पाहिजे तुम्हाला प्रॉपर फोर्स साठी किंवा त्या फोर्स साठी, पर्टिक्युलर ऍप्लिकेशन साठी. सी, so capital L is a length of spring, can be calculated as n plus 1.5 bracket complete d plus n into s. Okay, so n, small n is the number of active coils, so number of active coils, and s is the distance between two coils. Okay, so distance between two coils, so s minimum is your 0.1 into d at a maximum loading condition. Okay, so you can calculate this length by putting all these values. Okay, so according to this number, active number of coils and distance, you can calculate the total length of your spring. Okay, and how much force is generated by the spring on the stripper to hold or to flatten the sheet, as well as to strip off the stock from the your punch. So this much of force, F max, pi d cube tau by 8d. Okay, so this is regarding all the stripper. Any doubt, please, you can ask. We saw the generally two strippers. Okay, which is fixed. That fixed stripper means channel stripper. Channel stripper is also called as a fixed stripper. It is also called as a solid stripper because those are directly bolted to the die shoe or die block. Okay, that's why it is called as a fixed stripper. And why it is called as a channel? Because there is a tunnel provided and it acts as a guide rail also. Okay, and we saw the design of that guide rail, how you can calculate h. Okay, and all the clearance, how much clearance should be there. So any doubt you can ask, please go ahead. Guys, स्प्रिंग ऑपरेटेड जो आहे ज्याला की आपण इलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रिपर म्हणतो. पीपीटी दिसतंय ना? ओके. सो इलेक्ट्रिक स्ट्रिपर ज्याला म्हणतो. ओके. सो as I said, the channel stripper is mostly used in industry. Okay. So elastic strippers जिथे आपल्याला it is desirable to hold the strap also. Okay. In a flat position. त्याचा तुम्ही जर सिक्वेन्स बघितला असेल त्या व्हिडिओमध्ये, तर पंच येण्याच्या आधी स्ट्रिपर त्या जो आपला ब्लँक आहे किंवा शीट मेटल आहे त्याला पहिले होल्ड करतो. ओके. मीन्स इट मेक्स दॅट or hold that strip in a flat position before the punch makes contact. तुम्ही व्हिडिओ जर प्रॉपर बघितला असेल तर. ओके. and these kind of strippers, this arrangement, total जी arrangement है, it is very necessary to get the accurate, very accurate punching. Okay. So whenever if your thickness of your sheet metal is thinner, okay, to avoid the twisting and to burr, to form the more burr, then this kind of stripper you can use, where due to this arrangement of spring, you will get exact accurate punching over there. Okay. That's why these elastic strippers are used. So any doubt, please ask. That springs which are helical springs which are used, that are also called as a compression spring. Okay. And it is fixed, that complete assembly is fixed with the stripper bolts to the punch holder. This material for this material stripper plate may be your plain carbon steel. काल एक प्रश्न विचारला होता गाइस. So that material you can use a plain carbon steel also for that. Okay. So backup plate चे जर material विचारला होता मला कोणीतरी प्रश्न. So plain carbon steel is also used, or you can use a hardened steel. Okay. With a minimum hardness than the your die, because it increases the cost of your complete die set. So please ask if any doubt. फॉर्म्युले परत बघायचे आहेत का? Okay. So this is for channel stripper, right? A, we saw height, then we saw the clearance range. Okay. Height is calculated or taken from this table, thumb rule. Then stripper force, amount of stripper force produced on the sheet metal. Okay, this much of cutting. CS is a parameter which is a constant. Constant is taken from this table. Guys, are you with me or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
PPT दिसतंय ना?
हो सर.
कुठून खाली ठेवलं गेलं होतं ते मिनिमाइज झालं होतं. ठीक आहे. सो now we can move forward. Okay. Now next topic is your next terminology is your die stops. Okay, or it is also called as a stops. Okay. So what is the major function of die stop? So the die stop are used to stop the material, or stop the stock, or stop the strip, after each feed movement is completed, guys. Okay. So एक समजा पर्टिक्युलर डायमीटरचा तुम्ही पंच घेतला. ओके. नंतर नेक्स्ट जेव्हा तुम्ही फीड करणार त्या शीटला तो प्रॉपर जागेवर येऊन थांबला पाहिजे. ओके. सो तो हे जे आपण शीट प्रॉपर लोकेशनवर आली पाहिजे ते आपण डाय स्टॉपने अचीव करू शकतो, गाइस. ओके. सो die stops are used to stop the material strip after each feed movement is completed. Okay. So the solid pins with or without heads may be used as a stop. Okay. जसे की तुम्हाला या फिगर मध्ये दिसत असेल, गाइस. सी आता हा जो एच मी का नाही सांगितला स्मॉल हे सांगतो. हे 2 नंबरचा दिसतोय, गाइस, स्टॉप पिन, राइट. So that is a die stop. Okay, where your strip metal or stock is stopped by this pin. Okay, so the solid pins are used, and how much height should be of that pin came from the above this die surface is nothing but this h, small h, and that small h value for a particular thickness of material is selected from this table 9.4. दिसतोय ना? Okay, so according to the thickness you have to select these values for that h, small h, and small h is the height of pin or spin head came out from the die block surface. So this much, this h, हा h आपण value तुम्ही इथून घेऊ शकता. Okay, that's why this h is remaining to explain. Now next. Okay, so the pin should be lightly press fitted into the die shoe and should be extended above the die block face. Okay, and the extension of h of small h of die stop is a function of thickness of the material. So थोडीशी वरती त्या thicknessच्या तुम्हाला पाहिजे. Okay, see, so this is the simplest form of the stock stop is a dowel pin. Okay, an edge is previously blank opening is pushed against this pin. The stop is fitted above the pin and return stroke to release the strip from the pin. So demands considerable skill on the part of operator. So to handle proper, you required a skill operator. Okay, because in manual feed, how much pressure should be applied, that does not exceed the strip over the your die stop. Okay, so in automated feed, when you are used automated feed, there is a sensors are used, so it automatically stop when it touches the your die stop. Okay, the feed is automatically stopped, but in manual feeding it is very difficult. Okay, that's why it demands the considerable skill on the part of operator. Okay, so this dowel pin used to as a stop. See, this stop pin is given here. आणि हा जो क्रॉस सेक्शन म्हणजे इकडचा जो तुमचा, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू सी युअर लेफ्ट हँड साइड व्ह्यू, तर तो तुमचा लेफ्ट हँड साइड व्ह्यू हा आहे आपण जो बघितला. दिस इज अ लेफ्ट हँड साइड व्ह्यू. ओके, ऑफ अवर दिस फिगर. दिस ही जी पिन आपण आपल्याला पुढून दिसते. ओके, so this is a simplest design or simplest die stop. Okay, so use a dowel pin. Okay, so any doubt in this? Okay, guys, any doubt? One more thing about this die pin or die stop. The proper clearance should be given, okay, in a stripper plate or and under the pin in the die shoe. म्हणजे त्याच्याने काय होईल की तुम्हाला ती एखादी पिन जर डॅमेज झाली असेल हेड त्याचा तर तो इझिली रिमूव्ह करता येईल. ओके, नेक्स्ट ट्रिप stop is another type of stock stop or strip stop. Okay, so trip stop is another design which is used to uh, stop. Okay, and it uses the Powell and ratchet principle. See, Powell rise on ratchet principle. When तुम्ही Powell ratchet mechanism बघितलंय ना, ratchet mechanism, right? Simple gearचं जे आपण बघितलं असेल तुम्ही कुठेही, guys. So when operator pulls the stock back, the Powell drops and locate the stock. Okay. So a ratchet is a device used to restrict the motion in one direction. Okay. So ratchet mechanism च्या principle वर तो हा जो stop आहे trip stop हा work करतो guys. See in the figure. See. So the block on stripper, right? Ball, tension spring, and shoulder screw. See the working. Okay. See. So this is attached to the your stripper plate. Okay. So this is the direction of feed. Okay. So when the operator pulls the sheet stock back, the ball drops and locate the stock. So it will guide the your proper your sheet at a proper location, and this punch operate. Okay. So setting is fitting of this ball stop on the stripper plate is done by the calculations. Okay. So this is a your simple type of trip stop. It is called as a trip stop. Yes. So, guys, any doubt? Please ask. There is another one stop is also there, which is called as a shoulder stop, but it actually it is acts as a fixed stop. It is there is a one rectangular box, rectangular type of metallic. You can say block is set up, and up to that, when the manual feed is there, you can touch your strip to that, and you punch is operated. Okay? So that is a simple type of shoulder stop. You can search for that on in books. Okay, so you will get the all regarding. Then there is a automatic stop is there. Okay, so in automatic stop generally the sensors are used. Okay, and it is programmed through your programming software. It use the proximity sensor. Okay, so at a particular length, when it is achieved, then the signal is sent to the automatic feeder of your metal strip, and it stop the uh, feeder. Okay, to feed the metal strip into the punch. So that is also available on the internet. You can books. You can go through that. Okay, guys. So in any doubt in die stop, guide rails and strippers, these three parts are the main. to cover in a complete terminology of your complete die set. ओके, तर आपण बिलकुल जे आपल्याला डिझाईन ऑफ सिम्पल कम डायला लागतो म्हणजे पंचिंग आणि ब्लँकिंग. ओके, सो मोस्ट कॉमन ऑपरेशन जनरली परफॉर्म ऑन द प्रेस टूल्स. सो त्याच्यासाठी ज्या डायच्या कन्सिडरेशन आहे किती लेंथ हाईट वाईज, ओके, विड्थ, थिकनेस. सो वी सॉ अ डिफरंट we saw the all required terminologies. Okay, so complete याच्यात काही डाऊट असेल तर you can ask guys from the die block to this die stop. Guys, are you go through that YouTube videos? आपण जे रेकॉर्डिंग क्लास केले ते गेले का, कधी बघितले का? नुसते अटेंडन्स द्यायला जातो आपण त्याच्यावर. अरे बोलत नाही, क्लास कोणी आहे की नाही क्लासरूम मध्ये? युजर 35 युजर असेल. ठीक आहे, चला अटेंडन्स घेऊन टाकूया. अभिजित, if you are there, please record the attendance. अभिजित पहिले नंबर टाकेल आता. 1449 झाले, 1749 झालेले. अभिजित आहे का? हा. So one by one then you can record your attendance. Start. 1750. Go for the attendance, guys. Then we will see the next part. And you should be fast. Give your attendance fast. Okay. So, guys, stripper plate is play an important role. Okay. In both when you are going to use a thinner sheets, whether you are means most of the time where when you are going to use a thinner sheet and small punches. Okay, because at that time it try to trains material due to the spring back. It get means at that time the spring back is less. That's why it try to get stick with the punch face. Okay, that time stripper plates are used most of the time, because whenever the thickness is your means large, then due to the property of spring back, it automatically detach the strip from the punch holder. Okay. क्लास झालेला नाहीये, क्लास अजून सुरू आहे. कोणीच क्लासरूम ऑनलाईन सेशन सोडायचं नाहीये गाईज. ठीक आहे, कल्पेशने लास्ट अटेंडन्स दिलेली आहे. नाउ कम टू द गाईज, डिफरंट टाइप्स ऑफ डाईज आपल्याला बघायचे आहेत. ओके, याचे पण मी व्हिडिओज तुम्हाला ऑन युट्यूबवर पाठवले होते ग्रुपवर. ओके, so first is your conventional die, or you can say a simple die, where only one operation is going to perform, means either blanking or either punching, piercing. Okay, so the punch holder fastened to the ram of the press, die shoe is fastened to the broster plate, punch is fastened to the punch holder. All these simple in die, what as we see the terminology and the figure ji पाहिली होती, that is a conventional die. Okay, so stripper hold the scrap strip so that the punch may pull out of the hole. So this is regarding the piercing operation. Okay, and this is a setup for your conventional position of die set. See, this is as we saw this in our first class of your press sheet metal working. Okay, so it consists of RAM, punch holder, punch, backup plate नाही दाखवली याच्यामध्ये, stripper, scrap sheet metal. Okay, blank sheet, blank है, then die opening, die set, die block, okay, die shoe, and bolster plate. And bolster plate is mounted on a bed. Okay, so this is a simple die where only one operation is performed at a time. Okay, so we are not wasting our time in that. So next is your inverted dies, guys. Inverted dies आपण व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाठवला की मला आठवत नाही. ओके, नसेल तुम्ही पाठवून देईल guys. Okay, so in inverted dies, what the punch and die positions are interchanged. Okay, and why it is there? The opening in a bolster plate is too small to permit the finished part to pass through the bolster opening. Okay, and the die block fastened to the punch holder means inverted म्हणजे काय की एक्झॅक्टली रिप्लिका आहे तुमच्या कन्व्हेन्शनलची. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये काय की डाय फिक्स असतो, बरोबर आहे, आणि पंच मुव्हेबल आहे, राईट. बट इन इन्व्हर्टेड व्हॉट हॅपन, जी डाय ब्लॉक आहे, डाय शू आणि डाय ब्लॉक हे आपल्याला रॅमला अटॅच केलेले असतात आणि डाय ब्लॉक इज fastened to the punch holder and which move towards the fixed part which is punch. Okay, as the ram descends, the blank is shear from the strip. See, this is the arrangement. See guys, so now punch and die is exact opposite to each other, and this is a vice versa of your conventional die set. See, die is attached, okay, to the this ram or punch holder, you can say. So these are the guides. This punch and this spring arrangement is given because we have to remove this blank, right? And this is the spring type of spring operated stripper plate is used. आणि जसं रॅम डिसेंट झाल्यावर इथे ब्लँकिंग ऑपरेशन होईल किंवा पिअर्सिंग ऑपरेशन होईल, and at its move its top position you can remove this blank. Okay, so these type of inverted dies are used. Okay, so the punch is forced through the scrap strip and the spring attached to the stripper is compressed and loaded. Okay, on the upstroke the ram shader the pushes the blank out of the die opening. Okay. So it is exactly reverse of the your conventional die, nothing in. See the arrangement. Okay. Okay, one shader आपण बघितलं तर शेडर कशासाठी वापरतात, शेडर पंच. Okay, so shader is provided to push the your blank after the cutting or blanking operation. This is a workpiece, you can say. Okay guys, just a minute. Next is your compound dies. See, compound die चे मी 2 व्हिडिओ पाठवले होते वाटतं तुम्हाला. Okay, so combine the principles of conventional and inverted dies in a one station. Okay, so the workpiece is pierce and blank in one station and in one operation. Okay, So the piercing punch is fastened to conventional position type of punch holder, and die opening for piercing is machined to the blanking punch. व्हिडिओ बघितला तुम्ही गाईज, जो ॲनिमेटेड बनवलेला होता गाईज कंपाऊंड डाय साठी. ओके, सो त्याच्यात प्रॉपर दिलेलं आहे की वरतून एक ब्लँकिंग ऑपरेशन होतं आणि डाय थ्रू तुमचं पिअर्सिंग ऑपरेशन होतं. म्हणजे तुम्ही यू कॅन क्रिएट अ वॉशर. ओके, so you can create a washer with the compound dies in a large or maximum volume. Okay, so that time you can use the compound dies. Okay, so the blanking punch and blanking die opening is mounted an inverted position. The blanking punch is fastened to die shoe. The blanking die opening is fastened to punch holder. See the arrangement. See this. So whatever remaining this, हे जे तुम्हाला वर्कपीस दिसतंय, वर्कपीस, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू सी दिस वर्कपीस इज नथिंग बट युअर वॉशर. आणि हा एक क्रॉस सेक्शन दाखवलेला आहे ऍक्च्युअली. ओके, सो यू विल गेट द वॉशर अँड दिस इज अ स्क्रॅप which is piercing by the punch. Okay, piercing by the die, this, and remaining round washer is in your workpiece. So see the inverted type of arrangement is given. So this is a compound die where two operations are performed in a complete one die set. Okay, so combine the principle of both conventional and inverted dies. Okay, where workpiece is pierced and blank in a one station in one operation. So this is happen on the compound dies. Okay, and all these, जसं की आपण आता हा जो डाय सेटचा डिझाइन किंवा काय थिकनेस, हे जे आपण जे बेसिक डाय साठी जे बघितलं होतं गाईज, सेम इज फॉलोज. ओके, next is your progressive dies. Okay, so progressive dies, multiple operations you are going to do on the your strip metal. Okay, so these dies perform two or more operations at a time. Okay, so just a minute guys, I have a call. Just a minute, wait. Okay guys, chalo. So where we are progressive dies. Okay, so these dies perform two or more operation at a different stages every time the RAM descends. Okay, the stock strip is advanced through series of stations that perform one or more distinct operation on the workpiece. The strip must have more move from the first through each successive station to produce a complete workpiece. See, the distance from one station to the next must be same. See, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, so F is a complete progressive die setup, and this A to E is there are 5 stations on the your one complete die. And why it is called progressive? Because your sheet metal is get fed up into a die progressive manner from one station to another station. Okay, so in first station it is fitted, you will get the square hole. Okay, see, square hole, then again, then it is, you will get the this cutting operation, notch. See, okay, in second you will get this 4 holes, piercing is there. Okay, पहिल्या याच्यात तुम्हाला ब्लँकिंग मिळेल. ओके, जो हा जो शेप दिसतोय तुम्हाला कट, सो दिस इज अ ब्लँकिंग ऑपरेशन. सेकंड याच्यात तुम्हाला स्क्वेअर होल मिळाला, पिअर्सिंग. मग परत थर्ड स्टेज मध्ये 4 होल मिळाले. ओके, राईट. मग जसं प्रोग्रेस होत चालले, म्हणजे सी गाईज, यू आर सी A, B, C, D. So you will, in step by step, you will get a complete product in a single die. So a complete finished product you will get at the 5th station. Okay, which is cut off. So in this progressive dies, you can design your complete finished product by using different station. Either it may be blanking, either it may be notching, either it may be nibbling, whatever, according to your client part which you want to design with the sheet metal. Okay, so progressive dies are used for the mass production, where you will get the complete finished product at the end. Okay, in a one single stroke of your punch. Okay, all these happen in a single stroke, guys, remember that. So this is about the your progressive dies. Okay, so each operation perform an operation on workpiece, so that workpiece is completed when last operation has accomplished. Okay, so for a 4 station dies, so depending upon the complexity of your product or part, the stations are according to that. Okay, so number of operation किती तुम्हाला परफॉर्म करायचे त्यानुसार तुम्हाला स्टेशन ठरवावं लागते. So 4 station dies, each successive stroke is produce the finished part. So operation that can perform are piercing, blanking, forming, drawing. Okay, so this is a die where you get piercing, blanking as well as forming. Okay, so combination of this operation you can perform on a progressive die. Okay guys, see the arrangement. आणि व्हिडिओ पण तुम्हाला मी पाठवला होता. Okay, next is your combination dies, where in this type of dies cutting operation is combined with non-cutting operation. This is another type of die. Okay, the cutting operation may include blanking, piercing, trimming, and combined with the non-cutting operation like bending, extruding, or forming. Okay, let's see this figure. Now this is a blanking punch, this is a drawing punch. So 2 punch, 1 die, and this is a strip metal. So when your punch descends, okay, so first of all it makes the blanking punch first came in contact with workpiece, so it will cut the workpiece according to the shape of your punch, blanking punch, and then this drawing punch is descend. Okay, and then you will get this cup shape. Means here you have to generate a cup from the this combination dies. Okay, so you will get a proper diameter cut by the blanking punch of that blank, and then your drawing punch, which is consist of this shape of your cup, and you will get this drawing operation. So here 2 operations are performed, blanking and drawing. Okay, so you can combine this operation with the help of combination dies. Okay, कॉम्बिनेशन डाईजचा पण मी तुम्हाला पाठवला नाही वाटतं व्हिडिओ. ठीक आहे, कॉम्बिनेशन डाईज आणि एक इन्व्हर्टेड डाईजचा मी तुम्हाला पाठवून देईल वाटलं. ओके, so these are some different dies which are helpful to produce your desired part having the operations like piercing to your perforating or nibbling. Okay, so you have to design different type of stations according to that. Okay, if you want to only perform a 2 operation, go for the compound dies. If you want to complete a product, then you can go a progressive die. Okay, according to the complexity, you have to increases the station, and per station, per stroke, you will get a that operation, either it is piercing, blanking, forming, or drawing. Okay, and whether you want to combine only 2, means cutting, non-cutting, then you can also use the combination dies. But progressive dies मध्ये guys काय होतं, you will get all the type of operations performed on the work your press machine. Okay, so piercing, blanking, forming, drawing. But the costing of these progressive dies very costly than all other type of dies. Okay, so depending upon the industry, mid scale, and according to the your product, so different dies are used in different industries. Okay, according to the your costing. So this is all about guys dies. If you have any doubt, please ask. Are you with me? Yes. नेक्स्ट काही जे टॉपिक्स आपले आहे की सिलेक्शन ऑफ प्रेस जे आहे ते आपण पहिल्या क्लास जो घेतला होता तुम्हाला आठवत असेल, सिलेक्शन ऑफ प्रेस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द टनेज, साइज ऑफ बेड. ओके, सो दॅट इज कवर्ड. याच्यामध्ये अजून काय राहिलंय का मी एकदा बघून घेईल. ओके, अदरवाइज वी आर गोइंग टू मूव्ह इन. तुम काही पार्ट राहिला असेल तर तुम्ही मला सांगा व्हॉट्सअपला, तो घेऊ. नाही तर मग आपण नेक्स्ट आपलं लास्ट युनिट राहिलंय गाईज, विच इज सीएनसी, एनसी अँड सीएनसी, राईट. ते सुरू करूया. कारण की मे बी याला आता 4-5 लेक्चर झाले असतील, राईट, शीट मेटल वर्किंगचे 3 ते 4 लेक्चर झाले असतील. So you can update me by personal message, any doubt, or on group or on a Google Classroom. तुम्ही त्या क्वेश्चन बँक थ्रू जाताय का गाईज? क्वेश्चन बँक बघितलं?
हो, बघितलं.
छोटे छोटे काही काही बारीक क्वेश्चन म्हणजे ज्याच्यात तुम्हाला प्रत्येक पार्ट सिलेबसचा कव्हर होईल आणि एंड सेमिस्टर साठी काम येतील ते क्वेश्चन. सो अटेंडन्स घेतली असेल तर मग काही डाऊट नसेल तर सेशन क्लोज करतो. अदरवाइज यू कॅन आस्क.
सर मंडेला आतापर्यंत जेवढं शिकलं त्याचा सिलेबस राहील का त्या दिवशी सांगितलं तेवढं?
हा, मग बघा तुम्हाला आता याच्यामध्ये काय इन्व्हर्टेड डाईज वगैरे आपण बघितलं, स्ट्रिपर प्लेट जास्त नाही झालं ना या लेक्चर मध्ये. तर मग घ्यायचं तर घ्या, नाही तर हा पार्ट सोडून देऊया. यू डिसाइड.